Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca and today's Tuesday, so it's time to see what's new and what's been restocked at the Dollar Tree. And this will be for Tuesday, August the 15th, 2023. So first, let's go shopping and start with the apparel and accessories. First, I found some of these t-shirts today and they had the youth size large. I only found them in the dark burgundy. They have this really cute neckline with the off-the-shoulder straps, and they were in size large, and they are a little bit longer in the back than in the front. Then they had some smaller size shirts that say Little Bro, also known as Player 2, and they had those in purple. You could also get them in blue, and they go from 6 months all the way up to 4T. And then I found these cute little ballerina shirts. They had them in red and in black, and those also went up to 4T. Then they had these comfy toe lycra socks, girls no show. You get, I believe, 6 pair in this pack. These are a Walmart product. They are now at the Dollar Tree for just $1.25. It says it fits a medium size shoe there in the corner. And then on Friday, I showed you guys all these novelty socks that I found. There was the Old Bay, Ritz, Cheez-Its, Frosted Flakes, Mountain Dew, Reese's, and Pop-Tarts. And then today I found a few more. We found Yoo-Hoo, Pringles, the Oscar Mayer, Hershey Kisses, and then we've got the Pez, Twizzlers, New York Peppermint Patties, and Corn Pops. Now for the arts and crafts, I found these gorgeous new alphabet stickers. I love how they have these floral and vines kind of wrapped around the letters. All the letters are in black, and then each letter has its own unique flower or vine that wraps around it. So I'm going to show you guys some close-ups real quick, so you guys can get some views of the stickers. And they've got a clear border around the sticker, so whatever you put it on, you won't see that white border. It will blend in with it, with whatever you put it on, which is really nice. So I thought these were a really awesome sticker the Dollar Tree has to offer right now. And then they've got these gold foil and silver foil stickers that are also alphabet stickers, and they've got a bunch of different designs on each letter, as you can see here. I'm just going to show you the gold, but whatever you see here in the gold, you can also purchase in silver. Then they had these Crafter Square decorative stickers. Those also have the clear borders. You can put them on like cups, coffee mugs, and computer screens, things like that. And then, of course, these gorgeous pop-up stickers. These flowers look so realistic. The roses, I think, were definitely my favorite. They're absolutely gorgeous. Then you've got the carnations. They have lots of detail. The pop-up sticker, they just look absolutely real. I just thought these were so pretty. We've got these rosebuds. And then I believe this last pack, I believe they're impatiens, but for some reason, my mind's drawing a blank. I believe that's what these are. Look how pretty those are with the coloring. Then we've got the 15 count glue sticks, the glitter. We've got the gold, the silver, and the multicolor. I believe in the multicolor packet, you'll get the 15 glue sticks, but you will get those in the gold, silver, blue, red, and green. I also found some of the glass mosaic tiles back in. We've got the gray, black, and white. It's a 2.1 ounce bag. We've got the blue color scheme. It's a couple different shades of blue. And then we've got the primary colors, red, yellow, blue, and green. The earth tones. And then these are all the earth tones with some green mixed in. For the baby and toddler gear, we have these new books, which are so cute for Halloween. The top hat there is a nice soft cushion like a pillow. It says, "Boo Boo, I love you." And each page, the character is wearing this adorable little hat. Then we have Best Friends, Ralph Breaks the Internet. And it has the sound machine over at the sides. You can push the buttons to coordinate with the book. And those are just $1.25. We've also got some new headbands. I love the pink ones that they usually carry. Now they have this really pretty dusty rose color out. And I just thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I love both of the colors, but the new one's definitely my favorite. Now for the health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics first. And we've got some more of the face mist refresher. They have the guava. We saw these a few weeks ago. They're in a 0.51 fluid ounce pump. We've also got the watermelon scent. And then they had the grapefruit and the cucumber. And there's also coconut. So those sold out pretty quickly last time they were out, and they just restocked those. We've got the scented lip balm called a cutie. They've got the pineapple scent. You can also get them in the grape. They have strawberry, peach, and cherry. And each one of the containers looks like a little kitten. It has ears at the top and this foil writing on the outside. Now for the hair care items, mostly hair accessories, we've got these new elastics. On the green cards, you get 5. It's kind of got this soft furry look, and it has the mauve colored elastics with it. We've got the snap clips. There's a view from the back. You can also get a claw clip in the same light tan color. There's a view of it from the side. Then they had this packet with the lighter tan, the black, and the purple. And then you can get the light tan snap clips. You get 2 of those. They also had those in black. They have the matching claw clips as well. And for the pharmacy and personal care items, I found this raw shea butter soap. It's a 4-ounce bar. And then some more of the Natural Sense Pure Castile soap. There's the activated charcoal, the lavender, and also the almond and peppermint. And there were the Be Pure strawberry scented perfume and the mixed berry. And those have a little bit of glitter inside. And now for the fun finds this week. We have these paint with water books. I love these so much. My kids always enjoyed these when they were little. We've got the book of kittens. It has a bunch of cats and different scenery. We've also got the puppy book. And you just need water to paint with these. And a paintbrush, obviously. You could even use Q-tips or cotton swabs, whichever is easier for your little one. We've got the jungle book. There's a safari, some sea life. I'll just show an example from each book. The colors on the pages, like the whole page is completely colored. So when you use the water on them, you'll get the whole background colored in and the animals. And I love these because they make no mess. That's probably my favorite part. Okay, and then we've got these mini gel pens. Get those in a 10-pack. They do have glitter in the ink and some more of the silicone rings. They've restocked those. Now for the home decor, we have these wax melts in orange. They had them in blue and in like a sage green. Most of them were gone, and some of them were in a box that was closed. I didn't open those up. We've got these 4-pack of the tea light candle votives. It's been a while since they've had these stocked. Also, these vases in the plastic, the white and black, those are a restock item. The office supplies, home library, and teaching tree. They have these new USB laptop lights that plug right into the side of your laptop. It has a flexible design and 14 bright LED lights. Then some more of the 6-cup trays that you can carry all your art supplies in. I think these are great. And they've got some more of the desk organizers. You get 5 pieces and they all snap together to help organize your desk and your drawers at home. You can get those in the light blue, purple, teal, and pink. And they had a bunch of books up in the front of the store. This one's called Eats More Shoots and Leaves, and it actually has a bunch of sentences. It explains why the punctuation is the way it is, why you would need it. It's really great for older children learning about punctuation. We have some leveled readers like the Meet the Ugly dolls, and they also had a bunch of the magnetic planners. These were new. They had some last week that I showed you guys. These ones are a little bit different, a little bit more plain around the outside border. They've got the blue, a purple, and a green one, and it does come with the marker, so you can already have that prepared and ready to go. The jot file folders, we get 3 of these, and you get the fun designs. These are like for a filing cabinet. They have the tab at the top, so you can label them. You get 3 in each pack, and I just love all the different designs. It kind of spruces up the office just a little bit. We've got these gold dots, and then I love these large polka dots. I think these are probably my favorite out of all the different sets they have out right now. For the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, we have these new fake security cameras. You can just screw the holder up into the wall. They have them in red and black, and you do need to purchase the batteries to run them, but it's supposed to look like a real security camera. I took them out of the box so you could see real quick how big they are. Then they had some new night lights. These are the automatic ones. Instead of just always coming in the pure white, you could also now get them in the white, the black, or in silver finish. And now for the kitchen and pantry items. We have some of these caramel corn, soft caramel popcorn. Looks like a corn cob. Just in time for fall. We've got the pork seasoned coating mix. You get 2 packets. That's new. And the cinnamon toast crunch creamy cinnamon spread. Those are the full-size jars, similar to what you'll see at like Walmart and your local grocery store. They have some fall towels out with the fall leaves, and then some that say gather with the pumpkins. We saw these last year and a few years in a row now. They also have some that say my favorite people have paws. They have the oven mitts, the whole hot pad holders, the wash rags, and the towels. For the party supplies, we've got the wedding gift bags. They have a bunch of new ones out right now. A lot of them have like a gold finish on one side. The opposite side, it will be just painted in like a gold color paint, but it doesn't have that metallic look to it. They had quite a few new bags. I like that they have the extra wide bags out right now, which are great for different like showers and things. And of course, they've got a bunch of different party bags and some new tabletop covers. So they've got this large rectangular rainbow. It kind of fades to like an ombre look. And then we've also got the silver backing with the rainbow polka dots, which is always one of my favorite table covers. They have those both restocked. And the pet care items, they had some more of the novelty dog toys that have like the Hershey Kisses. They had, I believe it was a Reese's cup, the Hershey's bar, and then a bunch of the extra large rope tug toys for the larger dogs. And all of these little toys have like that crinkle paper inside, which animals just seem to go crazy over. But those were all restocked. So if you haven't seen them yet, hopefully you will. It'd be great to purchase those a little bit early for Christmas. Now for the toys, games, and entertainment, they have these Imagine Ink books. It comes with the marker. We've got the Disney Princess. It reveals magic games inside when you use the marker. We've also got the My Little Pony, SpongeBob SquarePants, and of course the Encanto movie. And now for the seasonal items. A few new items this week. We've got the 3-count pack of the LED tea light candles. They are battery operated. We've got 3 black or 3 orange. Also, they've got a bunch of their socks out right now. We've got the jack-o'-lantern socks. These are those no-show style socks. This one says trick or treat. The purple socks here with the black cat and some stars. The white background and the ghosts. And then we have the gray background with the jack-o'-lanterns. They have the Halloween pool noodles out and all the different Halloween colors. And these are like a salad tongs. They have them in glow-in-the-dark black and then the regular gray. These are a glass figurine. There's a couple different colors. We've got black, silver, and like an iridescent or holographic kind of look. And then the stemless glasses with the skeleton hands. Has the hollow, the black, and the purple. I did not see the orange yet this year. Then we've got the tall champagne glasses with the skeleton hand. And then these are a large serving tray, the skeleton head. And you've got the holographic, the silver, and the black. And this is a tabletop shelf style sign. It says pick your poison. Also, we've got the shot glasses. You get 4 of them. They had them in the purple and black. They have these poison jars, so they're a large plastic jar with a real cork lid. We have purple, the amber, the gray, and orange. The gnomes all dressed up for Halloween. And these are like a snow globe that are meant to look like a crystal ball. We also have these large plastic skulls. There's the holographic and the white. These are the extra large eyes that they used to sell. They just have them in different packaging. There's a couple different ones that you can choose from. There's some that look like dragons, snakes, lizards, and then the Sherpa pumpkins, which I just love. There's 4 different colors that I found. There might be more. I only found 4. And they all have the plastic stem at the top. These are a really cute hanger. The gnomes, we've got this little girl and the boy holding the welcome sign. Also, we've got the different color spider webs that glow in the dark. And now for the Dollar Tree Plus items, they have the $5 backpacks. They have the solid blue with the gray, the dinosaurs. Has the front pocket and the pocket in the back. Has adjustable straps. There's the tie-dye and the black and red. They also brought back these extra large storage baskets. There are 2 of them that you could purchase. There's the light brown, the darker brown, and a light brown stripe, or you can get the brown with the white. And they have the faux leather handles sewn on the sides. And here's a view of the inside. I also found some of these Space Jam socks. They are $5. We have this pair here for Space Jam with like the Tasmanian Devil, the Alien, and Bugs Bunny. This one has all the different character heads. I believe each pack, you get 2 pairs of socks for the $5. We've got the Friends socks. Another pair says, "How you doing?" The Rick and Morty. We have this pair. And then this is the second pair that you get in that packet. These extra large stretched canvas pictures. These are $5 each. We've got the floral, the blue kind of marble look, and then the abstract with the rose gold and pink. I also have these bamboo holders in the bamboo and white with all of the utensils for the kitchen. And then these extra large stuffed dogs. They look just like pound puppies to me. If you guys remember those, clear back from like the 80s, I think it was. This is what they look like to me. They look almost exactly like pound puppies. But they're a nice extra large stuffed dog. They're super soft and they come in a couple different colors. They also have these Halloween lights out that are new. And they have a couple different packs of those. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.